Get dressed with me for girls' night out. So I have this option. I thrifted this dress. It's gonna be perfect. But my worry is, wala ko sa mood mag-long dress. I have to pull it off talagang ganon. And also, this is exactly the color of Medusa's interior. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna match them or I'm gonna blend into the background. I'm not too sure about that. So let's explore other options. This is option 1. It's cute, but it's not really Medusa vibes or parang... This is more of a cocktail, social gathering, cheers, hello, my name is Janica type of thing. Option 2, I really like this dress kasi it matches my hair. Nagpaka Rachel Green hair lang ako and I feel like this is something na very 90s, especially if I wear heels. But I'm just not feeling my tummy right now. It's a little bloated. And I feel like this dress is emphasizing it. So I feel like I'm gonna go with the Medusa one talaga. Yes! Wow! Oh my god, that's such a pretty dress! Ang china-channel ko talaga in life, guys, is Rachel Green. I feel like this is something Rachel would wear and the hair is just like this. Not too done up. And I have the perfect pair of shoes for this one. I haven't worn this one yet. It's the same color and same texture, so it's gonna go really well. I feel so regal. Wow! I need to lint roll everything though. I'm gonna go with this beaded bag. Oh, I wish I'm with my boyfriend right now. This would be such a perfect date night look. Ginawa ko kanina tong makeup ko, so let's refresh it. I feel like this is a perfect lippy for this. This is Arcadia in the shade Divine. I want a hint lang. For the body glow, ayoko masyadong malagkitan today. Gusto ko lang gamitin tong Rhode. I have this. I don't really like it on my face. So sometimes I like to put it on my body because it is super glowy. Dio. I'm gonna put on this one from Diptyque. It's Euros. Ito lang sa ilalim. Mamaya na ako maglalagay ng super dami kasi ayokong mahilo. This is the finished look. Just get my picture taken like this. Like this.